Harvest time. Today I'm picking peppers. I just got done picking this full basket of tomatoes in my last video, and now we're moving on to some yummy peppers that are growing in my home garden here in Northeast Ohio. First I have a whole load of banana peppers, and I like my peppers to start to turn color before I pick them. Come on. Pickled banana peppers are one of my favorite things to make with these. I'm gonna let the rest of them keep growing and keep looking for more. I have some bell peppers. I think these are the Big Bertha, and these get really big and nice and deep colored red when they're fully ripe. These are gypsy bell peppers. Grab a couple of these Craig's Grande jalapeños. Make some bacon and cream cheese jalapeno poppers. Yum. Oops, I broke a branch. This one's called Pippin's Golden Honey, and I assume when it's fully ripe, it's probably more of a red-orange sort of color, maybe a dark purple red, but I want to pick a couple of them to see what they taste like. This is the Jimmy Nordello pepper, and this one will get a bright red when it's fully ripe. All peppers turn a color when they're fully ripe, and I don't know if there's any one pepper that's a true green pepper till ripeness. But I'm really curious about these, and I think they look really cool. So I'm gonna leave that one on. We have some shishito peppers. I love these. Blister them in a cast iron pan till they're charred on the outside and dip them in like a garlicky mayo type dip. They're delicious. An excellent garden harvest on this August afternoon. So now that I have this giant basket of veggies, what do you think I should make with all of this stuff? I think I'm gonna do some pickled peppers because I love that. Definitely gonna cook up the shishito peppers and probably do like a garlic aioli with those. I like to use the bell peppers and stuff them with something usually, like it could be ground beef or ground chicken mixed with cheese. That's usually really good. And then I have all of these tomatoes, and I do make tomato sauce, but I don't have enough right now to make sauce. And I actually don't know if I'm gonna do that much canning this year because I don't have a stove. We're gonna start a kitchen remodel project sometime soon, and it hasn't made sense for us to buy a stove when we've been waiting to do this project. I need recipes, fresh eating recipes, or things I can freeze. What do you like to do with your garden harvest? Leave a comment below letting me know. Make sure to follow so you can see all my garden videos. I want to help you learn how to grow like this too in your own backyards.